When I saw how easy it was to beautifully wrap a gift, I thought I'd give it a shot. It wasn't as easy as it looked, but I got the hang of it. The hard part is cutting the wrapping paper to the correct size. Once you do that, the folding is super easy. Fold the paper and use creases to keep it in place. Remember, when you do one side, also do the other. I used tape to secure it in place because I am not a natural. But I was really happy with the end result. Using this thick craft paper helped a lot too. It took a bunch of tries, but once I got the hang of it, I was able to wrap other gifts in half the time. Plus, the end product looks so cute. I can't wait to put these under the Christmas tree. Comment and let me know if you've tried it and what your thoughts are. Are you pro or against? Either way, happy holidays.
Walking in a winter wonderland.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen, Blitzen, all his reindeer.
I was today years old when I found this out.
I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
He did the mash,
he did the monster mash.
the monster mash.
It was a graveyard.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Now I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh, the mistletoe is hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you. Kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And in case you didn't hear, oh, by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
Oh, will it still feel the same? There's no way this will die. But if we get much closer, I could lose control. And if your heart surrenders, you need me to hold. We are young, heartache to heartache, we stand. No promises, no demands. Love is a battlefield.
Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun. Sun is shining in the sky. There ain't a cloud in sight. It stopped raining, everybody's in a play. And don't you know, it's a beautiful new day. Hey, running down the avenue, see how the sun shines brightly in the city, on the streets where once was pretty Mr. Blue. Sky is living here today. Hey, Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong?